In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Freshbooks account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can cancel with confidence and avoid surprises. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Freshbooks. From the search results, choose the official Freshbooks website. This takes you to their homepage where you'll find the login button, typically in the top right corner. Click login and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to manage billing, since cancellation options are found in the billing area. Once you're in your FreshBooks dashboard, look to the top right for your profile icon. This may show your initials or a small avatar. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, select Billing and Upgrade. This is the section where your subscription details, plan, and payment information are managed. On the Billing and Upgrade page, scroll all the way to the bottom. FreshBooks often places the cancellation option near the footer of this page, so keep scrolling until you see Cancel Your Account. Before you click it, pause for a moment to review your plan details and the next billing date. If you have any invoices, reports, or documents you might need later, it's a good practice to download copies now, as access can change after cancellation. When you're ready, click Cancel Your Account. A guided flow will appear. Click Continue to cancel, then follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your choice, select a reason for leaving, or review what happens to your data and access. It's common to see upgrade or downgrade offers during this step. If you're sure about canceling, continue through the prompts until you reach the final confirmation. After you confirm, watch for a completion message and, in many cases, a confirmation email. Depending on your plan and billing cycle, cancellation may take effect immediately or at the end of your current period. If you don't see the cancellation option where expected, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or changing browsers. If it still doesn't appear, contacting FreshBooks support is the quickest way to get help. That's it. Search for FreshBooks, log in, go to your profile, open Billing and Upgrade, scroll to the bottom, click Cancel Your Account, then choose Continue to Cancel and complete the prompts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close out your FreshBooks account smoothly.